Third question, it is 3577 divided by 7 minus 600 divided by 15 plus 645. So what does this mean? You can write this like this. Okay, I am putting brackets and writing it. Okay, then you will be able to understand. That means 3577 you have to divide by 7. And then here also one more division is going to happen. What is it? 600 divided by 15. Okay. Then you will add 645. Okay. So here we have to do this. So let us first do the division here. That is 3577 divided by 7. Okay. I am doing it here. After that I will be erasing it. Okay. So I have put the brackets so that you have to divide these 7, this one by 7, 600 by 15, and you have to find the difference and add this also, 645. Now let us do the division. This will go 5 times 35 minus 7, once, minus 7, 0, 7, once, minus 7. So this 511. So you got here this one, it is turning out to be 511. Okay, now I am going to raise it. Okay, I am raising it. Okay, fine, my work is done, right? Division is done. Now let us do the next division over here. What is it? 600 divided by 5. Okay, not 5, 15. 15 into 4 is 60. I have to put a 0 here. 1 0 is remaining, that I will put here. So what did I get? I got 40. So here minus this bracket turns out to be 40 plus 645. Now I have told you what is the order: division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So here in this case you can either add these two and subtract 40, or you can do this also. Why? This number 40 is less than this one, right? So this is a greater number. So you can do the subtraction and add to 645, or you can add 511 and 645 and then minus 40. In both the cases you will get the answer. Okay. Now let us see what do you get by subtracting 40 from 511. Okay. 11 minus 4 will give you 7, and here it will be, it means you got 471 plus 645, right? So you have to add this. One carry, so you got the answer as 1116. Okay, so this is the final answer you got here. Now let us go to the next one. It is 440 divided by 40 plus 60 minus 37. So they have given a bracket here, right? So what will you do? You will do one thing, 4040 you will write and do this addition. Okay, that means 61 plus 40. In the bracket, that whatever given in the bracket has to be done first. Okay, so 1, so you got 101, then minus 37. Okay, next what you have to do? You have to divide 440 by 101. Now you know 101 into 4. Let us see. 101 into 4 is 404. So you got it. You'll write 4 here, 404 here, minus 0. You'll put the 0 over here. So what did you get? When you divide, you got 40. So you'll write what here? So by dividing this by 101, you got what? 40. then minus this number, that is 37. What will you get? You will get the answer as 3. Okay, this is simplification. So this looks very complex, but after using the right method, you'll be able to do it. Simplify the mathematical expression. This we have simplified to just 40 minus 37. This has been simplified to what? 471 plus 645. So that is simplification. Okay, these extras you can write it here, or it is better you erase it after doing. Okay, then it will look neat. Here also I have written, I will erase it. Next 4, this is 3, 4 I have done. 5 and 6 you will do as homework. Okay, now let us go to the next one. Here it is written, write the mathematical expression and then simplify. Now what is the question? First one, find the difference between the products of rupees 6 and rupees 5 and rupees 3 and rupees 7. That is, they are telling product of 6 and 5 should be what? You have to find the difference, not added. Product of 3 and 7 has to be subtracted from product of 6 and 5. You have to find the difference, means the difference between 6 into 5 and 3 into 7. So what will you write it in mathematical way? You can write. So when you are writing in mathematical way, you don't have to write rupees. Okay, how will you write? You will write 6 into 5. That is, they have told, no, product means multiplication, minus 3 into 7. So 6 into 5 is 30, right? And then minus 3 into 7 is 21. So what did you get? 30 minus 21 will give you 9. So 9 is the answer. So we have written it in a mathematical expression and we have simplified and you got the answer. Next one, add the product of 10 and 7 to the difference between 30 and 20. So what is it? Add the product of 10 and 7. So what will you write? 10 into 7, right? And then you have to add it to what? To the difference between 30 and 20. That means difference between 30 and 20 also you have to find out. Now how will you do? 10 into 7 is 10 7s are 70. And plus what is 30 minus 20? You will get 10. Okay. So what you got? 70 plus 10 will give you 80. So 80 is the answer. Okay. Simplifying. Next one. Find the sum of 25 and the difference between 50 and 25. Find the sum of 25 and the difference between 50 and 25. That is, 25 has to be added to what? Difference between 50 and 25. What is the difference between 50 and 25? Means 50 minus 25. Okay. So how will you write this? This is 25 plus 50 minus 25 is what? 25 again. Okay. Then 25 plus 25 will give you 50. 25 into 2 is 50, right? So 25 plus 25 will give you 50. So see, we have written first in mathematical expressions and we have simplified. That is the question. So with this assignment 14 is done. Okay. And these two are homeworks for you, 5 and 6. Okay. Now let us go to this chapter also is done. So last we have some mental maths here. So let us do it. Simplify mentally and write the answer. So you have to do it mentally, they are saying. What is this? 250 divided by 250. What is it? 1. 300 divided by. So this is 1, right? So you don't have to do the division here, right? 250 divided by 250 you will get 1. 300 divided by 1 you will get 300. and 0 divided by 720, you will get 0. Okay. So what will you get? 1 plus 300. So what will you get the answer as? 301. Next one. 450 divided by 1. That is 450, right? Not plus, minus. Minus 200 divided by 1. That is 200. Plus 3021 divided by 3021. A number divided by that itself means it is 1. So what you get? You have to 450 minus 200 will give 450 minus 100 will be 350. 350 minus 1 more 100, that will give you 250. Okay, so you will do 250 plus 1. What is it? 251. Okay, next one. So here you don't have to do division at the side and like the way you did in assignment, right? It is easy. Divisions are easy here. Now 1000 into 2. What will be 1000 into 2? It will be 2000 divided by 2000 divided by 4. 2000 divided by, what is 4 into 5 is 20, right? That means if you divide 2000 by 4, you will get what? 20 divided by 4 will give you 5. So 2000 divided by 4 will give you 500. 2 more zeros you will have to add. Okay, so divided by 500. That means again what? 2000 divided by 500 it is coming, means 20 by 5, same answer you will get. 20 by 5 is what? 4. So you will get the answer as 4. Okay, 500 into 4 will give you 2000. That means 2000 divided by 500 will be 4. Okay, next 3000 divided by 100. That means when you divide a number by 100, what? You will cut 2 zeros. You will get as 30 plus 60,000 divided by 1000. That means by 1000 means you will cut 3 zeros. You will get 60 plus 100 divided by 10. You will cut 1 zero. You will get 10. So here 30 plus 60 will give you 90 plus 10 will give you 100. Okay. So this is simplify mentally and write the answer. Means division you can do in your mind. Division or multiplication. These are that kind of numbers, special numbers they have given. So with this chapter is done. Okay. That is basic operations of on numbers. Okay. So next day we'll start a new chapter. Till then, bye children.